Hi lovelies, it's Frederica and I'm back with another video. Tonight's video is all about doing your eyebrows, okay? As you can see, I'm not wearing any makeup whatsoever. I'm also going to go over a few beauty products that I live by and use on a daily basis when I do wear makeup. So I'll go into those. Maybe I'll do that first and then we'll get into the eyebrow tutorial. Basically, I have thick eyebrows, but you may not be able to notice that because I shave my eyebrows because I like thin eyebrows because my eyes are usually they're wide, so I like to have them, to like pop. In other words, so I'll arch my eyebrows. You can get these at the local beauty supply store for like $1, or you can also get them at Walgreens and they're like $5 and some odd cents. But that's if you want to shave your eyebrows. But my eyebrows are just like too thick. But sometimes they're coming in like sparse. So I like to fill them in. So this is how they look if I don't do anything to them, which I don't care for these kind of eyebrows because they look a wreck. So I'll show you how I do my eyebrows, okay? First, let's get into my beauty products. I do recommend this Mane and Tail Moisturizing Conditioner. This is not sponsored. These are real products that I use and recommend. These are available at the beauty supply store too, and also at Target. So this is a really good hair growth treatment, conditioner, and I have the shampoo. I have all the products like the conditioner, the detangling, and the shampoo and conditioner in one. So I didn't know no, this doesn't come in 2-in-1, but this is the conditioner, and then this is the shampoo, which is Herbal Growth. Strengthens and nourishes and reduces breakage. So this is a good shampoo for all hair types. Also, the detangling. When you have like curlier hair or fine hair or thick hair, it can get detangled. So this is the Tangles and Knot Solutions, and it's really good. I use this in my daughter's hair and in my hair too on wash days. So we have natural hairstyles. We don't do a perm or anything like that. So we do natural hair care. And these are the products that I use on a day-to-day basis by Mane and Tail. They have this at Target, and they also, you might find these at your beauty supply store, but they might be more expensive at the beauty supply store. I'm not for sure. So you can just check and see which one is most affordable for you. I'm sure I went over all my eyeshadows before. I don't wear makeup on a day-to-day basis, which I've said that. I'm going to link my skincare video in the link below too after this video is finished, so you guys can go refer back to that because I'm not going to get into how I do my skincare. But this is me with no makeup at all. I have washed my face before I'm doing this tutorial for you. So I think I'm going to do too like a basic no makeup look. So like it's a no makeup but makeup look. And you might see a little indentation on my nose because I was wearing my glasses before I popped my contact lenses in. But anyway, this is the makeup brand that I use by Sephora. Right here. And it's a powder-based foundation. I have 2 different colors because, as you know, as your skin goes through winter and summer months, you have different textures and colors of your skin. Like in the summer months, I'll get darker. In the winter months, I get lighter. So I use the color Warm Amber. Not sure if you can see it. Hopefully it's picking up on camera. Then I also use the color Toffee. But this one isn't Toffee. It's another Warm Amber. I used to have Toffee, but I don't know what happened to it. I think I have Toffee in the concealer. They also have a concealer too. But these are 2 Warm Ambers, and I didn't know that. But anyway, but I use Toffee in this brand, and you can see the makeup palette is about this color. They give you a mirror. You get a little makeup sponge too if you want to use it. But I never use the makeup sponge. I use cotton balls. So you can use cotton balls too if you want to. If you want to spread it on more evenly. But some people use sponges. It's totally up to you. And then this is a Warm Amber. The same one as that one. But maybe that one, I've used it more, so you probably can't see it as good. But this is the color that it is. Okay. And basically for lipsticks, I use Beauty Concepts. And that is a TJ Maxx brand. So I don't really know what the color is on this, but that's the color that it is. Like my day-to-day routine. That's one color, and then this is a different color. And I don't have my hot pink with me. I use also Sephora lipsticks too. And that is a really good brand. Those lipsticks, like the Sephora lipstick is only, I think, $8, something like that. But I don't have one of those to show you. So if I do another tutorial dealing with makeup, I'll show you that lipstick later on down the line. So basically, I have my brushes. This would be like a makeup brush that I would use to put on my Sephora powder. I don't really use the liquid foundation, but keep in mind, ladies, if you are using a foundation like this that's powder, make sure that your skin is moisturized, because if it's not, it's going to come on like a matte finish and it's going to be like looking cakey and everything. So make sure that your face is always moisturized, whether you use lotion as a base or you use a mist or something to like moisturize your skin before you put on a powder foundation. So that's what I suggest. And always keep your skin as pretty as you can. Make sure you do not go to sleep with makeup on. That's rule number one. No matter how tired you are, wipe the makeup off. If you think you're going to be too lazy to wash your face, just buy you some makeup wipes and wipe them off. You know, wipe it off with your skin, but make sure it's like hypoallergenic. Aveeno has a really good brand. Also, Target has a really good brand. I think it's called Simply Balanced or something like that. So just check when you go to Target or Walgreens, wherever your preferred like cosmetic carrier is, go there. So I have too many eyebrow pencils. It's crazy. This one is by Wet n Wild. It's like a dark brown. Then I have this one, which is by Boutiques. It's kind of like a reddish brown. And this is for like mascara. I mean, not mascara, I'm sorry. Eyeshadow. And yeah, I have a lot of eyeshadow brushes because I love eyeshadows. So I have a lot of those as well. And I showed you guys like my eyeshadows, I thought, before. But this is a really nice one by Rimmel. Really pretty colors. And this was like a limited edition that I got a while ago. And then here's another one by Color Spell. It's called the Wicked Collection. Color Spell. I don't know who made this one though. But anyway, it's not tested on animals. Not really sure where I got it from, but it's by Color Spell. I might have got this from TJ Maxx. It had 18 shades in it. So those are like my go-to eyeshadows. Showed you the lipsticks. Oh, also, this is the best mascara, in my opinion. May not be in your opinion because you might have one that you use, but I can swear by this, honestly, and it's so affordable. Great Lash by Maybelline. This is the best mascara. If you want to look like you're wearing falsies, this is your stuff, girls. This right here. Great Lash. Pink and green. You can't miss it. When you go to Walgreens, Target, Walmart, it's a good brand and it's affordable, so you can't beat that. You know, we're all about affordable beauty here. Affordable beauty, fashion, all of it. And I found another brand that I tried that's really good. This is by Dollar Tree. LA Colors Volume Lash, which really shocked me because I don't normally buy. I'll buy eyeshadow from them, and I might buy nail polish, you know, here and there, but that's mostly for my toes because it honestly comes right off your fingers. I don't suggest buying it from there unless maybe you wear acrylic nails, then it might stay on better. But when you're wearing your natural nails, the nail polish doesn't last. But this mascara really shocked me. It's LA Colors Hourglass Volume Lash, and it's like black top with this like blue-green color, and this one was rich black. I think it's the only color that this came in, but as you can see, this is how it is, and it's got the curl or the curved applicator, so that's going to give you more, you know, coverage for your eyelashes. And I'm not wearing any mascara or anything like that because this is really not a makeup tutorial or anything. This is just basically show you how to put in your eyebrows. Like if your eyebrows are sparse or they're growing in. Like right now, I honestly haven't trimmed these because I've been trying to be good and let my eyebrows grow back in naturally and be thick. Because I normally have thick eyebrows. So, but yeah, that's what we're working with right now. It's looking a mess. So let's just get started. It's always good to make sure that you have a sharpener nearby so you can just sharpen it. So this is what I normally do. I'll sharpen it, and I'm using this one. This is by Color Mates. You can get any of these at the Dollar Tree too, Color Mates, but I'll probably use the Wet n Wild because Wet n Wild, you can find that anywhere too. Let's use the Wet n Wild one. So I'm going to just sharpen it with my Wet n Wild sharpener. I got these products from like Walgreens. So this is going to be real dark, which is okay because it's just a tutorial to show you guys. So what you want to do is make sure you kind of, I don't have one of those little brushes that I need, so I'm going to just use the eyebrow, like an eyeshadow brush, and just do it like this lightly. And as you can see, this one looks more like she needs more help than this one, but it's okay. So let's go here. You're going to lightly fill them in and just go like this. Give it a look. Let's see in the mirror. And then go on this one. Okay, make sure they're even. This one needs a little more help. So, as you can see, you're good to go. So just so that your eyebrows are feeling and looking a little more defined, that is, you know, the way I put in my eyebrows, especially now that they're growing in. So I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It was a quick one, but I enjoyed doing these for you guys. If you want me to do more, let me know. I'll also drop a link in for the skincare tutorial. So hopefully you're having good success if you are doing the vinegar treatment for your skin. So that's it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share the channel. Bye, lovely. See you in the next one.